Myself, Nadeem Qadri. I am an environmental lawyer and executive director of Wildlife Conservation Fund. Today, I am extremely thankful to Mother Helpage for coming to Lalpora, Pampore village, which is one of the villages in Pampore area for the distribution. We are glad that 40 households have been provided with the blankets and some household items. It has been a great goodwill gesture on behalf of the Mother Helpage for coming to this poor and far-flung village in the Pampore vicinity. It has been indeed a great pleasure to see the great response coming from the families with all utmost dignity and honor. We ensured that Mother Helpage team, which is always committed for doing such great work, to come forward to this village and to support these 40 families. Indeed, we look forward for more greater collaborations in future with Mother Helpage, so that not only this village gets benefited as a token of love and support from the Mother Helpage, but more people will get benefited who are in need of such facilities or such sort of support. I, on behalf of my organization and our partner organizations, congratulate Mother Helpage team for accepting invitation and doing this support distribution of certain items. We look forward for greater collaboration and greater support in future also. I wish all the best to the Mother Helpage team, and my special regards to all the village heads and eco development committee members for joining us today in this noble cause. Thank you.